morning. How may I help you?
Morning. Could I have a large double-double
Okay.
and toast? Debit, please. Thank you. Have a good one. Morning guys, Scott here on the almost annual plant run to the Niagara area. So I've been doing this probably ever since almost I've been gardening, and it's one of my favorite times of the year. So I thought this year, why not bring you guys along for the fun. So the plan is I'm going to be stopping at Pineapple Dan's to pick up an order that I ordered over the winter time. If you remember back in the video, I had really messed up one of my trachy carpus fortunais and almost immediately put in an order to Dan. Pineapple Dan, if you're watching this. So I'm going to be stopping there, and then after that I'm going to be hitting up another fellow gardener's place for an outside tiny little garden tour, and we may also check out another garden or so in the Niagara area. And after that I'm going to be stopping at a couple of garden centers, small garden centers, to see what they have and take home a couple of souvenirs. So if you're interested in seeing this video, tag along. Alright guys, so I'm almost at Dan's place, so I'll hopefully check in with you there and see the lot he's got, and maybe even get to see some of the plants he's got at his place. I wonder if I've found the place.
This is the Scott Nickel Little Gem from last year.
This video really doesn't do justice to how amazing this backyard is. Dan has overwintered all of these palms that you see here, and they just look absolutely mint condition after the winter. Such an amazing backyard. Well, that was a pretty sweet tour of Dan's place. He's a super nice guy, and what a beautiful property he has. So I'm just heading over to Tony's place now, and we'll see you when we're over there.
I'll take that any day.
Yeah.
These are the two big ones that were a little before.
Holy moly.
There's actually two there, so that's Edith Lowe.
Which one is Edith? On the right?
The duller looking,
Yeah.
the more olive green one.
Yeah.
And this one's
Victoria.
And Victoria was the first planted,
Wow.
and Tony kind of said when he planted it, I don't expect this to live, but it's cool for the summer.
Look at the size of the trunk on it.
I know.
Oh my
Some guy on the
gosh.
phone group, or not the hardy tropical group goes, they're planted too close. I'm like, yeah, I know.
Well, it's too late
I
now.
wasn't expecting it to live,
I
really.
won't be able to move that one.
Either of them to live.
That has got to be the tallest one I've seen around here. So just wrapped up at Tony's, and now we're heading over to another sort of connection gardener friend that he has that supposedly has some pretty cool stuff. So we should be there shortly and do a little tour of that place.
I'm just gonna come and see it from the street.
Yeah,
As wow.
look at that house there. That's insane.
Now, it is very big, but I love that style of architecture.
Same.
Nice clean lines. And I like what he did with his holly.
Yeah.
Like that I love.
Are those Dragon Lady hollies? Do you know?
I think that's,
I don't think they're American holly.
I thought American, but
I feel like they're Dragon Lady, but yeah. Really?
well, I would love one of those
It's beautiful, isn't
in
it?
that shape, right?
I think he's worth it.
Is it Dragon Lady?
I'm sure he would know though when it comes out. When you see what isn't doing well, are those damn cedars. They're all back to neighbors, by the way.
Yeah. What is this one here? Is that that's like a certain variety of cedar,
That's
isn't it?
gorgeous.
Yeah.
I want to touch it.
I want to say cedar of Lebanon.
Lebanon?
Yeah. But I'm not positive about that.
I think you're probably right.
He had that when I was here 10 years ago, and it's certainly grown.
So many flowers.
Cassandra.
Oh, look.
Oh, nice.
Cyanophytes verticillata. Easy for me to say.
Oh, look at his bamboo.
I saw the canes sitting there in that compost pile.
Try something to make room for the new.
No, I got the garden across the road and I try to, like all my succulents go there. These are my hardy cacti in here, sort of thing. And
Is that cedar of Lebanon?
uh,
Or
no, that's California cedar. Calocedrus decurrens.
Calocedrus.
Yeah, that's been there about 30 years.
I remember it from when I was here 10 years ago. But you want us to put the masks on?
Pardon?
You want us to wear the masks? We've been
Outside, I'm vaccinated.
We've been vaccinated.
We've been vaccinated.
By the end of October, they're all in my 2 greenhouses.
Really?
So now, right now, I'm taking them all out and infusing them with the plants I don't have to dig out.
So this is a zone 7A then, this spot
7A,
here.
yeah. Just from here, it gets a little wider. It starts at Grimsby. It's a very narrow strip along Lake Ontario. In fact, it's probably even at the end of the road. I would see winter marching. It takes 3 days for winter to march from the QE to here. I see it encroaching, so it gives me lots of time.
Yeah.
You know, it's not a volatile 7A like Windsor is.
Right.
And of course, I'm in an optimum situation from the lake. I don't want to be on that lake, but I'm 500 feet away. So it's sort of like this optimization.
You got one of the best
So I
spots.
can grow quite a bit of bamboo
They put up a really nice windbreak next door.
on the north side.
It's Cunninghamia. Because I rang the bell and then I peeked around the corner to see if you were in the garden. And I just got a corner of it. I thought.
Oh yeah, it does look like monkey puzzle.
Cunninghamia?
Oh, Cunninghamia, yes. The turquoise one is fine. I planted that in 96. The other Cunninghamia, I'm not sure what it's going to be. I thought the zone 7 one.
The only other one that I know of is that one at the moment. But it doesn't look as good as this. Was there one there?
Well, he had one. That's where I got them. They're very hardy, and in November I bring in 100 bags of leaves and I cover my whole half acre with leaves. Yeah, because we don't get snow here. We don't get any snow.
You barely get snow in this spot?
The snow pile came down once. Yeah. So I bring in the leaves and it keeps the soil moist and cool, and the worms eat up the leaves, and hey, worm castings everywhere.
Yeah.
You know. So yeah. It's a yellow camellia from Vietnam, southern China. The flowers in February with little 2-inch diameter yellow camellias, which is rare. So this is probably my rarest plant, and probably worth $1,000 because now it's in a pot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a yellow camellia. But just
Well, that garden was unbelievable. Can't believe what was growing in that spot there. This little Zone 7 microclimate right by the lake in Niagara. Very, very cool. So making one more stop, maybe two, heading over to Vineland Nurseries, and then may check out Coles before starting to make my way back home. Just left Vineland. You can see the back's filling up a little bit. Got one more stop and then heading home. Well guys, just stopped at the final stop. I didn't take any videos in there, it's just so busy. So I didn't bother, but increased the load again. Got a couple of Musa Bajus at Coles, which was cool, and got to hang out with outside with Tony and Michelle, and had some ice cream, and now I'm heading back to Kingston, so probably got about a 4-hour or so drive ahead of me. Tomorrow I'll be busy planting. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos in the future.